All right, language explorers. Let's look at today's word of the day. Forage. 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 To look. Look for food in the countryside. Looking for food in the countryside, like a bush or a forest. So like here, or even like what the bird is doing here, foraging. Foraging, yeah. The bird is foraging for food. Yeah. We used to forage for fresh food. It is a useful tool to forage with. I think I will forage for the garlic. For the garlic, yeah. They don't know how to forage. It is good weather to go foraging. Good weather to go foraging. How cool is that? Yeah, it is. So he likes foraging. She found some strawberries as she foraged in the bushes. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, I will forage for food. Searching for food in nature. Yeah. We always forage. We always forage together. Yep. They are often foraging. Yeah. How often do they go foraging? How often do they go foraging? Whenever they want. Or can. Whenever they want, whenever they can. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So they foraged with us yesterday. So he foraged with me in the field. Yeah. She is foraging for berries now. Yeah. She went to forage with them, and they must be foraging now. Foraging by now. They must be foraging by now. Yeah. He will go foraging with you soon. I think at this rate we should go foraging because we're running out of food. We will need to go foraging. We'll need to go foraging soon. Soon. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, forage. Looking for food in the countryside or bushes and trees and forests. Yeah. So, can you use forage in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram by searching English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me also by searching for Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.